South Korean automaker Kia is gearing up for the launch of Kia Carens 7-seater car in India in early 2022, while the SUV is all set for a global debut on December 16, 2021. This will be the fourth product in India from Kia. Kia Carens is touted as a recreational vehicle and it is based on the Kia Seltos SUV. It will also have a 6-seater version which will have captain seats in the middle row. The 7-seater car, on the other hand, will have a bench-type seat in the second row. The exterior design and interior layout of the Kia Carens have already been revealed, thanks to the official sketches by the automaker. As per rumors and reports, the Kia Carens 6 and 7-seater car will come with advanced driver assistance system. A 360-degree camera and wireless smartphone charging could exclusively be on offer with higher trims. Kia will offer an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the entry-level and mid-spec variants. On the other hand, the top variant will come with a bigger 10.25-inch unit with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. A digital instrument console may come as standard with all the variants of Kia Carens 6 and 7-seater car. High-end variants may come with leather seat upholstery, a single-pane sunroof, leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering automatic climate control and 6 USB-C ports, 2 each in front, middle and third rows. According to reports, the 3-row SUV will be the first model in its segment to provide access to the third-row seats via an electronic button. The car is likely to offer ambient lighting colors, Bose audio system and ventilated front seats. Under the hood, the Kia Carens will offer a 140 bhp 1.4-litre turbo petrol engine borrowed from the Kia Seltos SUV. Either manual or automatic gearbox will be on offer. Official details about the Kia Carens 6 and 7-seater car will be out on December 16, 2021 when the SUV will make its global debut. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.